In today's video, I'm going to show you how to short on Kraken Pro app. So before you start, make sure to deposit funds into your account to start, so you can start trading. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to select, of course, my trading pair. You can select Bitcoin, Solana, whatever, right? In my case, I already have a trading pair, so I'm going to click on the bottom middle right here, right? And instead of buying, I'm going to hit sell. Right, and you see red button, that means you're gonna sell. And of course, select the profit price, right? If you have a specific limit or specific price that you want to cash in, or just take the profit off the top or out at the bottom in this case. And of course, select the type of trade, TPL or trading stop. And of course, instead of margin, you can hit swap, right? And for safety, make sure to add a TP and SL so you can protect your own trading inside Kraken Pro app or inside the basically inside the trade. So basically that's it. After you finish doing everything, just hit sell at the bottom and you can start shorting on Kraken Pro app. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you.